Generator. The first step is I'm gonna take the generator out of the compartment. Okay, like this. I'm just gonna need it open up here. Okay, I'm just gonna hook this latch just to hold the door right over here. Okay, now I'm just gonna proceed to unscrew this one and this one. Then you're going to be able to take the rails down, and you're just going to need to pull your generator outside. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to plug in your generator to your food truck. Okay, the first thing you have to be aware is that the breakers inside of your truck on the breaker box are on the off position. Okay, there's the first step. Then you're going to be able to plug in the generator to your food truck, and by means of that you're going to need to use this adapter cord you can see here. Okay, so basically just make it match the connection and make sure that you twist it to the right and then pull back just to make sure that it's tight and it's not going to come out. Okay, so after that you're going to be able to plug in your extension cord right over here on the outlet of your generator. Okay, so now you're going to be able to turn on the generator by basically turning this knob on the on position and pushing the start button. Now you can go to the inside of the truck with your generator on. Now you're going to be able to proceed to turn on the breakers on your breaker box, and you got to remember that you're going to need to wait between 5 and 10 seconds between each breaker when you're doing this. With the breakers on the on position, now you can proceed to use all the equipment on your food truck.